Very good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. Children, today we discuss the topic changes around us. Children, what is mean by change? Change is the transition of a substance from one form to another. So what is mean by change? Change is the transition of a substance from one form to another. Children, we see changes like day and night, summer and winter. We also see changes in objects, growth of a tree, falling of leaves are some of the changes taking place around us. You can observe changes in you also. Your height and weight increase, hair and nail grow, and you have grown up as a whole compared to last year. These changes can be classified as reversible and irreversible changes. So students, what are the classification of changes? Reversible and irreversible changes. And students, first we discuss reversible changes. Children, what is reversible change? Change which can be reversed are called reversible changes. So, which changes can be reversed are called reversible changes. Reversible changes are otherwise called as physical changes. So, children, what is the another name for reversible change? Physical change. For example, if you keep water in the freezer for some time, it is transformed into ice. If it is taken out, it becomes water again. This is a reversible change. Children, next we move on irreversible changes. Changes which cannot be reversed are called irreversible changes. So, these changes cannot be reversed. So, these are called irreversible changes. And students, we know another name for reversible change is physical change. And irreversible changes are otherwise called as chemical changes. So, what is the another name for an irreversible change? Chemical change. For example, turning of milk into curd. Once the milk turned into curd, we cannot get the milk again. This is an irreversible change. Children, next we discuss some examples. Burning wood. Is it reversible or irreversible change? Burning of wood is an irreversible change. Because why it is called irreversible change? If you burn a wood, it burns and turns into ash. It cannot become wood again. So, this is an irreversible change. Ice turning into water. Is it reversible or irreversible change? It is a reversible change because if you keep water in the freezer for some time, it is transformed into ice. If it is taken out, it becomes water again. So, ice turning into water is a reversible change. Next, iron rust. Is it reversible or irreversible? Formation of iron rust is an irreversible change. Children, next we see what are the differences between reversible and irreversible changes. In a reversible change, a substance can turn to its original state. Irreversible change. A substance cannot change to its original state. Reversible change, for example, ice cube turns into water. We are keeping that water in the freezer means that water it converted to ice cube. And we are taken out from the freezer, that ice cube melt and it gives water again. And irreversible change example, turning of milk into curd. Once the milk turned curd means we cannot get the milk again. So, this is the example for an irreversible change. So, in a reversible change, a substance can turn to its original state. In an irreversible change, a substance cannot change to its original state. And next, second point, reversible change. The chemical properties of the substance do not change. but in an irreversible change, the chemical properties of the substance will change. And third point, reversible change. Most of the physical changes are reversible in nature. And next step, irreversible change. All chemical changes are irreversible nature. So these are the differences between reversible and irreversible changes. Children, now your activity time. You do this activity by yourself. The activity is find the reversible and irreversible changes. And students, look the picture and identify which one is reversible change and which one is irreversible changes. Okay, thank you children. I hope you understood reversible and irreversible changes. Thank you students.